Top 5 Poki Games now available on official website. Poki Games is one of the best and free online website that offers a wide variety of thrilling games with approximately more than 50 million players a month, including plenty of popular games such as Temple Run, Candy Crush, Angry Birds, Pool Club, and etc. Therefore, if you're interested in playing any of these exhilarating games on the web, then you can play these online games on Poki over any device. Subway Surfers. Subway Surfer is another most intriguing game which was initially developed for mobile phone's portrait screen with an intriguing gameplay. It comprises multiple characters, while the main character is Jake and the player is Jake, a thief who's evaded by a police officer along with a dog for stealing coins while dodging trains, trams, etc. Candy Crush Saga. Candy Crush Saga is another most popular and addictive game with a simple gameplay. In this game, you'll only have an easy tile matching puzzle, and the player has to match the same colored candies to crush them and enjoy a vibrant splash. More matches means more crushes, which would lead you towards victory. Angry Birds. Angry Bird is another one of those big games which rose to prominence and achieved a great milestone that a movie was once made based on its characters. All these birds are constantly trying to protect their eggs by green-colored pigs, aiming to pull an accurate slingshot to hit the pigs. Master Chess. Another Poki online game is Master Chess, a universal game consisting of phenomenal graphics and the simplest gameplay. You can play player versus player or player versus CPU on Poki.com games. Make a move within a specific time limit of just 10 seconds, adding more thrill and exhilaration to the game. 2048. Are you a fan of intriguing puzzle games? If yes, then 2048 is one of the most exhilarating games where you have to slide a particular amount of tiles and integrate them to a new file and earn maximum points. Here are a few more intriguing Poki online games that you must try. Jetpack Joyride, Combat Reloaded 2, Fruit Ninja, Mekorama, Golf Champions, Ludo Hero, Monkey Mart, Tetra Blocks, Breakoid, Sword Masters, Blumgy Soccer, Hills of Steel, Tribals IO, Level Devil.